Hi everybody, welcome back to the Moose. We're going to keep exploring the pentatonic scale, and we're going to explore it by playing what they call the modes of a scale. Okay, and we're going to put these modes to this G major pentatonic scale. Remember that pattern we already went over? There's that five note pentatonic scale. And remember, if we want to take it up onto the first string, since the first string and the fourth string are the same, we can just continue it up. So we can play something like this. Okay. So let's listen to that scale now against the G major chord. And let's listen to it now over the G major's relative minor chord, which is E minor. Again, the pentatonic scale is going to work over both those chords, the major and the minor. Okay, so you can see the importance of this scale. So now we're going to play the modes of this G major pentatonic scale. And all that means is playing the modes is we're just going to start the next scale on the second degree. Instead of starting on the G, now we're going to start on the A. Okay? So, and play the same exact notes in the scale. And we're going to just move up the fingerboard a little bit. So there's our five notes, again, just starting on the second degree of the G major pentatonic scale. Again, we can take it up on the first string. Again, we can play this mode over the G major chord. The E minor chord. You can see how beautifully that works. And again, this is going to have major implications in the Scruggs style. Okay, so there's the second mode. Let's continue on with the third mode. So now all we're doing is we're starting on the third degree of the scale, which is B. We're going to start it up on the fourth string again and work the same notes up the fingerboard. Now we're going to go up and connect the first string. G major. E minor. You can hear how those notes are working fine over both those chords. Okay, so that was the third mode. So let's go up to the fourth mode now. And all we're going to do is start on the fourth degree, which is a D note. We're going to come up here on the fourth string, and let's play this mode all the way up now. There's our five notes continuing up now onto the first string. Works over the G major chord or over the E minor chord. Okay, and let's finish off our last mode now, since there's only five notes, and that note is going to be the E. So we're going to start up here on the E. Here's our five notes, just starting on the E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And continuing up. Remember that these fourth string and the first string are exact same notes. And I'm going to tab this scale out in these patterns with all its modes as well, so you'll be able to look at that too and refresh yourself. Play that over G major, or play it over the relative minor of E minor. Okay, so by working our way up in the modes, we can also play that E, that mode down here instead of up here, just at the octave. And this is going to have major implications as well when we start to play the blues on the banjo. Okay, just by playing this pentatonic scale. We're going to talk more about this scale, because again it's so important, and you can see how important it's going to be in bluegrass. Okay, so we're going to continue on, everybody, and keep it going. We'll see you next time right here on the Moose. That's musicmoose.org.